everybody. So it is a little bit early. It is a little bit early for Easter candy. It is January and we have Easter out already, and I saw these and I instantly had to get them. Now I know there's a couple new flavors for Peeps this year. They're slowly coming out, but I saw the Rice Krispie treats and I'm like, we're gonna get these. So these are at Walmart. My Walmart has just a tiny little section of Easter, but everything else is all Valentine's Day, and I wanted to try these. Now, I love Peeps. I absolutely love Peeps. Now, you're going to think I'm weird, but I like them when they're just a little bit hard. Like, basically what I'll do sometimes is, like, slit the ones open, and I will kind of just let it harden a little bit. I just like the Peeps a little bit hard. I prefer the bunnies over the Peeps. I don't know why. Maybe because I enjoy eating the ears instead of the head, but we're gonna do a little taste test of the Rice Krispie treats, and I have a feeling these are actually gonna be pretty good because number one, Rice Krispie treats are marshmallows, and I've seen people, I swear I've seen people do Rice Krispie treats with Peeps. I swear, if you guys have ever done something like that, or that'd be kind of a cool experience. What do you guys think? Should I make Rice Krispie treats with Peeps or bunnies? Melt these babies up. Okay, so right away when I open it, it doesn't smell like food. It smells like some kind of plastic. Or, I mean, it doesn't smell appetizing. It smells kind of weird. Okay, so they have a little bit of a slight yellow tinge to them. Just a slight little yellow tinge. So that's a good thing because then you're not eating a total dye, which I know some people are like, you know, not big thing on dye, but I should get Ben down here. Ben loves eating Peeps and he likes Rice Krispie treats, so maybe I should get him to try it. But let's go down here and look, let's just try it. I gotta get Ben. I gotta get my son. Let me call my son. I got Benny down here. He's gonna try one because he likes to try stuff. So, tell me what you think of the smell. Smell it?
No, smell
it doesn't smell like food. It does not smell like food. Okay, take a bite. Let me know what you think.
It doesn't have a taste.
It's very bland.
It does have a taste. I want to go get a real one and see what it tastes.
You don't need to compare a real Rice Krispie treat with the Peeps.
Let's see what it tastes like.
I don't know. Ben and I both agree it does not have a good smell to it. It doesn't smell like food. It doesn't smell like marshmallows. It's kind of like more of a fake smell. Like, it might be the plastic, but I don't know. I feel like it's a very bland taste, and I feel like you're just eating like a sugared marshmallow. Like, let's say you're eating a Rice Krispie treat, right? Here's the taste of a Rice Krispie treat. Yeah, I give these a 4 or a 5. I mean, they're good. I probably will finish them. But taste-wise, comparison-wise, I don't feel like... Okay, Ben's got a Rice Krispie treat.
This is better.
Well, obviously it's better. Mmm.
Huh?
Nothing. Compares to nothing. I don't know. What would you give these? 1 out of 10. 1?
No, 0.
You would eat these. You'd finish these, right? No? I could see myself finishing them, but I would not buy them again. I want to give these a 4 or a 5, maybe.
I have to taste them to Charlotte. See what they taste.
Yeah, Charlotte doesn't understand ratings. But it's kind of a fail. A fail. If you guys can taste some, please let me know in the comments. Like, maybe my taste buds are off. My phone's going off. But maybe, maybe you guys can help me out with these and let me know what you think. But otherwise, these are a fail. Not a big fan of them. Would I buy these again? No, but it was still good to try. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys the next time we have a taste test. Bye-bye.